Now, can you call from the Apple Watch but without the iPhone? Let's talk about it. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, the short answer is yes, you can make phone calls from the Apple Watch without the iPhone, but it kind of depends on whether your Apple Watch supports the cellular or if it's a cellular model. Because whenever you are buying the Apple Watch, like on the Apple's website or anywhere else, there is the distinction between Apple Watch GPS models and Apple Watch cellular models. And those that feature cellular have the ability to install an actual separate SIM card into the watch itself, which makes it independent from the iPhone. In that case, if you have a SIM card, a phone number installed in your Apple Watch, you can set up the cellular connectivity, you can connect to the internet, even make phone calls, right? So that would be very useful if you have that option. However, if you don't have the cellular Apple Watch, then there is also the Wi-Fi calling feature, and you can still make calls through Wi-Fi, but it requires your iPhone to be on and connected to a Wi-Fi network, right? So it's not technically without the iPhone altogether, but yeah, it's from the Apple Watch still. So yeah, it depends on, as I said, on which model you have, but it technically is possible. So that would be like the thing which I wanted to explain right now. So let me know in the comments below if you have some more questions about this. Most definitely stay tuned for more tutorials, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.